Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the flintronic body fat scale. Ooh yeah, this scale will help you to gain a little bit of fitness. Yeah, gain your fitness level and burn your fat level. That's awesome. But this is a hard exercise. Think, oh yeah, I know what I'm talking about. Whew, because my weight is really much too high. But now I can control my weight, and not only my weight, there is more what I can control with this device because it is a Bluetooth personal scale, smart digital scales with app support, iOS and Android, and of course this is a scale with a maximum of 180 kilograms. So I can have a weight watching thing on it. It's a fitness tracking weight scales. Of course, the device is not suitable for medical use because it's only for home using unit. Bluetooth smart app synchronized. The international health app OKOK works with Bluetooth 4.0 and above on iOS 8 and Android 6. Synchronises data with Fitbit, Google Fit, and Apple Health. Awesome. We can use 8 users can be used at the same time and each can be automatically identified. All data are stored in the app so our family can view it anytime. Specific information can be found on the app instruction area, of course, but there is so much information about our health status which this scale can personalize for us. It has a fashionable style with lightweight. The Bluetooth scale is designed in a fashionable style and with its lightweight it is light and handy. The maximum capacity can reach 180 kilogram and the exact value is about 10 gram. Awesome. It is equipped with a backlit LCD screen that allows us to read data from any angle. The ultra-strong 6mm tempered glass platform allows us easy cleaning. For non-slip silicone cushions on the underside guarantee a good balance. High precision via grease chip. On the scale, the high-precision BIA fat chips and 4 high-precision pressure sensors were used to ensure that the data is accurate and reliable. The function for automatic switching off and particle unit conversion can meet the different needs. The device is not suitable for medical use. We have to consult a doctor or a diet specialist for planning our weight loss. Maybe, or you can handle this by yourself. Like me. 12 essential measurements are available, including weight, BMI, that is the body mass index, body fat, fat-free body weight, subcutaneous fat, visceral fat, body water, skeletal muscle mass, this is awesome at me, bone mass, protein and metabolic age. I'm so old about this weight. This scale tells me I'm so old. But I have to lose some weight. Then my body age will be better. Wait at any time without a phone. The data are immediately synchronized with the app as soon as the connection is established. And energy saving. It has a battery indicator and an automatic shut-off function. After a few seconds of inactivity, it is automatically switching off. which is helpful for maintaining battery power and efficiency. We can charge it with USB supported cable. Awesome, isn't it? After full charge, it can be used for 3 months. Wow, that's a long range. Oh, so let's have a look. Yeah, get the stand, and we have 119 kilograms and 14 degrees Celsius room temperature. Awesome. Yeah, that's not only a scale, it's a temperature measurement device too. The size is 260 to 60 to 24 millimeters. The capacity ranges from zero point 0.2 to 180 kilograms. Fine accuracy value 10 gram. Awesome device. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.